康往后掰，掰开取出电池，我们来充电。然后我们取出配件包里面的充电线，对应的插入即可。插入充电头即可。把充好电的电池正确的安装在电池仓里面。首先我们打开电池仓，取出充好的电池，然后红线对红线，黑线对黑线，插入即可。然后我们把电池藏在里面，然后盖上盖子，这个时候就可以了。我们再安装好那个摄像头，先插入电线，然后再对应的插入插口即可。这样就已经装好了。好，接下来介绍如何用手机安装无人机上面的软件。首先，打开微信扫一扫，扫描上方的二维码，然后点击允许，点击安装，然后点击打开就即可，打开即可，然后这边可以进入，以及退出界面。首先打开无人机开关。打开无人机之后，它无人机放置出 WiFi 信号，这个时候我们点击设置，然后点击 WiFi， 然后连接无人机放置出来的 WiFi 信号 ，WiFi 信号是那一个没有加密这个就是了，然后点击连接，然后退出界面，点击它安装好的 APP， 进入即可。这个就是无人机存回来的画面。好，接下来我们来介绍遥控器上面的主要功能。左边的是油门杆，往上推是加油门，往下降是降油门。左边的是方向杆，往前推是前进，往后推是后退。往左打是那个左侧飞，往右打是右侧飞。然后这边这个是档位键，可以开启3档。这边的是方稳键。这边上下左右4个键是微调键。好，基本上就是这些主要功能。好，接下来教大家如何用无人机和遥控器进行对屏，然后成功起飞。先打开无人机开关，灯光闪烁，然后再打开遥控器开关，然后左边的油门杆推到底，再推到底，放手，这个时候对屏成功，灯光常亮。然后就可以慢慢加起油门，起飞，前进，后退，前进，左侧飞，右侧飞，左侧飞，右侧飞，好，回来，下降。
FG-907 Travel Picture Taking Unmanned Drone, Accurate GPS Positioning System, newly upgraded with a strong motivation, configuration of high-precision gyroscope, optical flow positioning with more accuracy, 4K 120-degree wide-angle adjustable camera, clearer video with 50-fold zoom, foldable fuselage and easy to carry, 5G Wi-Fi signal, stable high-definition picture sending, real-time capture of every moment, 360-degree around the interest points, shooting cool blockbusters easily, flying in accordance with the appointed flight point, no need to bother steering, intelligent return with low electricity and low signal, making the process of flying more secured. Points for attention. Product display. Display of the list of products. Preparation works before the flight. Turn on the power of the remote controller. The mode on the indicator is 0. Press the switch of the aircraft battery for several successive seconds. The sound of the remote controller. Success code matching. At this moment, the mode 0 on the indicator is going to turn to mode 1. Lay the aircraft on the flight ground. Press the button of the speed for 5 seconds. The sound of the remote controller. Aircraft lights become flickering. Gyroscope calibration completed. Release the button. Press the photo taking button for 5 seconds. The sound of the remote controller. Aircraft lights become flickering. Pick up the aircraft and make it circling clockwise on the horizontal plane 1 meter above the ground. After hearing the sound of the remote controller, stand the aircraft up. Camera down. Turn clockwise. After hearing the sound of the remote controller, completion of the geomagnetic correction. Flight lamp flicker rule can be changed to once in a second. At this point, the aircraft will automatically enter the star search mode. The positioning will be completed when the number of such satellites reaches about 10. The remote control will enter the GPS function after the D sound. The aircraft lamp is always bright. Mode 1 changes to Mode 2. Be able to unlock and take off. At this moment, the aircraft is in GPS mode. It has the function of GPS. Connect Wi-Fi. Scanning the corresponding two-dimensional code. Download the app. Enter the mobile settings options. Open the wireless network. Search for devices. Link up successfully. After successful connection, exit settings options. Open the app on the phone. Unlock the aircraft. Simultaneously, pull the left and the right sticks of the remote controllers toward outside. It can be unlocked. After the power machine has been turned on, it can fly. Basic operation. 1-click set off. 1-click landing. Upward. Downward. Turn left. Turn right. Forward. Backward. Left-sided flying. Right-sided flying. 2 levels of speed shift. Headless mode. Camera adjustment of the steering engine. Function of photo taking and video recording. Picturing button. Press and picturing. Recording button. Press and recording. Press shortly again. Finish recording. Picturing by using gestures. Right in front of the camera of the aircraft of 2 meters. Take up one hand and show the gesture of yeah. After the aircraft has recognized the gesture successfully, count down to 3 for 3 seconds to take photos. Recording by using gestures. Right in front of the camera of the aircraft of 2 meters. Fixing the hand and taking up a hand. After the aircraft has recognized the gesture successfully, it starts recording. After it recognized the gesture again, finish the recording. Double camera switch. Click the camera to shift the button. Shiftable front camera and downward camera. Variable focal length with 50 times. Adjustable. Single app control. After the remote control and the aircraft have matched, connect the Wi-Fi code of the aircraft with phone. Open the app videos to send. At the point, turn up the remote controller. The app on the phone will link to the aircraft to operating the flight in 5 seconds. Turn on the remote control again. The remote control will connect the aircraft in 5 seconds to control the flight. Flying according to the flight points. Click the image of flying according to the flight points. Zoom in the map. Picture the flight point. Click the sending button. The aircraft will start from the initial point. Fly to the first point. Then fly to each point in sequence. Interest points around. Click the circling flight icon. Click Send the icon. The nose of the aircraft will be centered around the current position of the aircraft. Conducting circumferential flight clockwise or counterclockwise. Surrounding process. Controllable rise, fall, advance, and retreat to adjust. GPS following. Mobile app following. Click on the GPS following icon. The aircraft will follow the mobile phone. Click on the one-click return icon. The aircraft will automatically return to the takeoff point. Click on the MV icon. Enter the MV interface. MV function production. Background music can be added. Filters, lens effects, then one-click sharing. If the aircraft is used indoors or in places with poor signals, please use the Mode 1 optical flow mode directly. After the aircraft and the remote control have been matched, and the gyroscope and the geomagnetism have been corrected, change from Mode 0 to Mode 1 on the remote control indicator. At this time, the aircraft will automatically carry out GPS satellite search and positioning. Automatically start the protection program will fail to take off. Press the video button for 5 seconds. The remote control emits a D sound. Represents closing the GPS function. Unlock and take off. Click on the master tracking icon. When the horizontal distance between the aircraft and the target person is about 2 meters, start the tracking flight. Click on the hand control icon. The aircraft will follow the palm up and down. When the distance between the palm and the camera is about 1 meter, the effect is the best. Click on the tracking flight icon. The aircraft will fly according to the selected position. Battery replacement and charging. When the TX power is only less than 2 grays, it indicates the low power of the remote controller. Decreased transmission signal. Batteries need to be replaced and reused. When the RT power is only less than 2 grays, it refers to the low power of the aircraft. At this point, the light of the aircraft changes from long light to bright light. At this point, the aircraft needs to be recalled for battery replacement. Press the battery button. Pull the battery up and out. Connect one end of the USB charging line to battery charging outlet. The other end connects to the 5 volts 1 to 2 ampere adapter USB interface. Battery blue lights flicker from left to right during charging. Battery indicator will always light up after filling. The battery charging time is about 150 minutes. After charging, insert the battery into the fuselage. Wind blade installation of the aircraft. Unscrew. Remove the wind blade. Pay attention to the corresponding A and B blades when replacing. put the wind blade in, rotary tightening the screw.